Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have quite a few things to get done. I have a full day packed with things that I need to do, and I thought, why not take you guys with me to show you what a day in a life of a vlogger and mommy, as you can see, looks like. But first I'm gonna drop off the baby to his grandmother's house so I can get more stuff done. I just don't want to disrupt his nap routine, and I better go now. We're here. So first up, of course, I had to get Starbucks. The little one didn't really let me sleep much last night. He woke up more than usual. So I need a little bit of caffeine. Right now I'm on my way to Ulta to get some makeup because I'm gonna have a few clients this weekend. They're doing a photo shoot and they asked me to do their makeup. So I need to get some foundation, and I might get some concealers. Ooh, I love that guy. So I think I'm gonna get one of these foundations. I used it one time and I really liked it. I ran out of it, and yeah, I might get it again. So I came to Ulta just for a few things, and I got so many things, more than needed. And of course, if you don't live like this, you ain't doing it right. Guys, 2 hours later, and I spent $314. Oh my god! I really didn't mean to spend so much. I just went to get foundations and the concealer, and then I came out with Morphe palettes and brushes and all the new this and the new that. I'm happy. Oh Lord, I got so many cute stuff, and I'm not lying when I say I spent $314. But in other news, I earned some points. I think I'm gonna do a Ulta haul and show you guys everything I've got. I'm rushing because I have a meeting at in about 20 minutes, so I'm trying to rush and do everything and just take advantage that my baby's taken care of. So I'm trying to do as much as I can. I'll probably get some me time today. Probably do my nails and my toes, because I don't really leave the house since I had the baby. I'm not so comfortable driving around. It's just me and him, so yeah, I'm trying to do as much as I can. Oh, I'm back home now because I have a lot of editing to do. So let's do this. I went home and I edited a little bit, a video that will be up soon. It's how I make my green juices, so check it out. I should post it tonight. Should be ready. Just missing a few details. And I'm about to have lunch now. Meaning this. And then now on my way to the fabric store because I need some backdrops for some future makeup tutorials. excited. I just got the fabric. I love the colors. I can't wait to start filming with those backgrounds. I'm gonna go get my nails done really quick because mama needs some attention as well. And then I'm gonna go home and try to film a quick video for you guys about the stuff that I got today, all the makeup that I got. Today I'm going to be creating this look. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maria Elena, and I try to upload a video at least once a week if possible. Anything from being a mommy to makeup tutorial to nutrition, but it's always a twin dilemma. So after a really long day, I'm finally home. I'm in bed and just kind of putting stuff together, creating my vision board. So I have just some quotes, and hopefully I get to buy a home this year. Depending on the market here in Miami, it's pretty expensive right now, but that's going on my vision board. And yeah, so that's my project for tonight, and I have the little one on top of me. And that's it for today. I feel like I did a lot, as much as I could, so time to go to sleep, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.